Number 6. Make a promise to someone. It means to assure someone that you will do or not do something.
I made a promise to my friend to help. I made a promise to my friend to help. She makes a promise to her parents to study hard. She makes a promise to her parents to study hard. He made a promise to call her every day. He made a promise to call her every day.
Number 7. Make war. It means to engage in or start a conflict or battle.
Ancient kingdoms often made war with each other. Ancient kingdoms often made war with each other. Making war always leads to unfortunate consequences. Making war always leads to unfortunate consequences. Nations should avoid making war for peaceful solutions. Nations should avoid making war for peaceful solutions.
Number 8. Make trouble. It means to cause problems or disturbances.
He is known to make trouble at school. He is known to make trouble at school. They don't want to make trouble for their neighbors. They don't want to make trouble for their neighbors. Making trouble will not solve any issues. Making trouble will not solve any issues.
Number 9. Make a suggestion. It means to offer an idea or plan for consideration.
Can I make a suggestion for the project? Can I make a suggestion for the project? She made a suggestion during the meeting. She made a suggestion during the meeting. He makes a suggestion to improve the process. He makes a suggestion to improve the process.
Number 10. Make a stop. It means to stop briefly during a journey.
The bus makes a stop at the station. The bus makes a stop at the station. They made a stop at a small town. They made a stop at a small town. Let's make a stop for coffee on our way. Let's make a stop for coffee on our way.